Welcome to the lesson. Today we will look at how we can prepare oxygen using hydrogen peroxide. So oxygen can be actually prepared using hydrogen peroxide, which is hydrogen dioxide, which is aqueous. When it is decomposed using a catalyst, manganese 4 oxide, you produce actual water, which is the liquid, plus the oxygen, which is the gas, and you can balance the equilibrium. So here, the flat bottom flask, you put actually manganese 4 oxide, and the liquid hydrogen peroxide drips through the first funnel to react with the manganese 4 oxide, which is merely the catalyst. So this one is the catalyst, and you know that a catalyst actually just reduces the activation energy. Okay, so then oxygen will be delivered through the delivery tube until it enters the BF shelf or the trough, and then it's collected over water. This is water, and then you have the gas jar where oxygen is actually produced. So the oxygen which is collected actually over water, and the method of collection of the gas, which is oxygen, is by downward displacement of water, and the drying agent through which you can pass the gas so that it's dried is concentrated sulfuric acid. You can as well prepare oxygen using actually by heating the sodium nitrate and potassium nitrate, and you produce sodium nitrate as well as potassium nitrate when you heat them, actually these nitrates. So oxygen in an industry can be actually manufactured using fractional distillation, and it's based on the boiling points of these gases. As you may be aware, oxygen is contained in air where there is also nitrogen, but oxygen itself, it boils at negative 183 degrees Celsius, while nitrogen actually is it boils at negative 196 degrees Celsius. And so, meaning that during the distillation process, the one with the lower boiling point, which is nitrogen, is going to be collected first. And so, oxygen can be tested to find out whether really what you have prepared is oxygen by actually passing it through a concentrated sulfuric acid to dry it, after which you can introduce a glowing splint, which is going to dry it. So the glowing splint is going to write more actually in oxygen. Oxygen has vast places where you can use it in the value chain. You can use it actually to manufacture steel, especially in the blast furnace where iron is actually manufactured. And also it is also used in hospitals where it is given to patients who do not have enough oxygen, who require actually oxygen deliverables externally. And also we can also use it for welding during the oxygen fire. Also it can be used by climbers as well as divers. It can also be used to support burning of hydrogen in rockets. Thank you.